My name is Eric Philpott.
How did you start develop this machine?
Well, I saw that there was a need in the signage industry. Just that last puzzle that was needed, something to help the guys with the fabrication. So yeah, this 3D printer is designed for the signage industry to print the returns. Basically it does the fabrication for you. Just to give you an idea of this parcel sign behind you, we've got a 80mm return here, 80mm deep, 2.3 millimeters thick. It took only 6 hours to print all of these returns. It weighs 1.5 kilogram, so the material cost you 360 Rand a kilo. It means this returns cost 500 bucks. This bronze sign took 8 hours to print and it weighs 2.2 kilos, so yeah, it means 800 bucks for that sign. Out of a roller filament, it comes in 5 kilogram rolls, so yeah, out of a roll you can do plenty of signs. The nice thing about this is while the machine is printing, it can print for 4 hours, and in that 4 hours it's very reliable. You can go and see clients and you can go do what you need to do to grow your business. We've got on this show, we've got 4 machines, we've got 1 operator and we've got 1 laptop. Machines is wireless, so yeah, they can be operated from anywhere.
How did you develop it?
Well, I've got a very clever friend up in George that helped me with some other machines as well, laser cutters and CNCs. And yeah, we started with this machine about 2 years ago, and yeah, we got it right about a year ago. We got all our prototype machines with the signage company in George. They've been using it for 11 months. So they've been pumping signs out there, and yeah, they've been making money, putting profit in their pockets.
And what are the visitors? What kind of feedback have you been getting from them for the show as far as this machine?
Well, it's unbelievable. It's like the people can't believe it, and yeah, I think we are definitely over 60 machines sold already. There's a big need for this in the market. So the people it's priced right. The machine only costs you 200,000 Rand, or Sign-Tronic's got it on a rental option for 6,250 Rand a month. The filament is available in these 12 different colors. So let's say we've got a corporate client that says, no, listen, not one of these colors is mine. Don't go and spray the returns and battle. Give us a call, give us a Pantone color, we'll mix 100 kilograms for them, and Bob's your uncle.